going to put it in the middle garden, the big one there with the tree.
Okay.
You can just sit it on the ground though, because they knock it off anyway. Just sit it in the garden. In there next to the tree.
Okay.
You don't have to hop in that one. Just lean down. Let me help you.
It's Bootsy.
They're going to have breakfast?
They're going to have breakfast. They're going to come outside.
They are outside. Can you hear them?
Yes, I hear them. I hear them.
Are they tweeting?
Uh-huh.
What do they do? What do birds do?
Woo woo, choo choo.
Choo choo.
Woo woo.
That's what owls do. Woo hoo.
Buddies make woo choo choo.
They say ooh ooh. That's what a bird does. Birds go tweet tweet.
Birds make tweet tweet.
Yes.
Oh, there's a cat. Ah! I'm going to get my and shoot the car.
We're gonna go inside. You gonna get your pew pew and shoot the cars?
Uh-huh.
Okay. We're gonna stay inside because you got slippers on. Come on, we're gonna go in. You eat your breakfast.